Hi, this is Dino Rachiele with Rachiele Custom Sinks. I would like to go over some things that I see troubling in kitchens these days. A lot of Fireclay farm sinks and cast iron farm sinks. I bet these are some things that you don't know about them, and I'd like to introduce them. But I'd also like you to go online after you hear all of this and double check what I'm saying. I don't want you to take my word for it, but I do want you to do some uh, homework to make sure you're not making a bad choice. For example, on Fireclay sinks, you can get hairline cracks and chips from thermal shock. For example, having a sink that's cold and then pouring hot water in there, it can chip with a minor explosion. Cast iron sinks, same thing. Staining, for example. Glaze stains from coffee, tea, and wine are often seen on Fireclay sinks. Cast iron sinks are also prone to stains and discoloration. They're virtually impossible, either one, to repair them. And there's a big installation risk with Fireclay sinks. I think if you look at the instructions, they will tell you the sink can show up plus or minus a quarter of an inch or a half an inch. That's because in the glazing process, depending on the moisture content, one shrinks more than the next one. The thing that I've noticed on house.com, for example, is many people with high-end Fireclay sinks say their sinks do not drain properly, and the manufacturers say that's not under warranty. Lifespan on these sinks can be anywhere from 5 to 10 years for a Fireclay sink, maybe longer if you're lucky. Cast iron sinks 10 to 20 years, but I had a customer who's lasted one day. He dropped a glass aspirin bottle in it and chipped the bottom of the sink. So lifespan is questionable. Let's talk about warranties for a bit. And I'm going to go into a generalization. I want you to check this. I don't think any manufacturer of sinks or faucets, when they say they have a lifetime warranty, they are referring to the original buyer. I just ran into this with a customer who bought a home that had, I won't mention the name of the faucet, that has a lifetime warranty. There was a problem with the faucet. It was only 2 years old. Manufacturer said, sorry, it's not under warranty. It's only under warranty to the original owner. So check that on sinks and faucets. Our sinks, for example, have a lifetime transferable warranty. No paperwork required. If it's my sink and it's in a home, I don't care if it's the fifth owner, the sink and the accessories are under warranty. No paperwork required. Even our cutting boards have a 3-year warranty. I don't think you're going to find that anywhere else. Not only does the white one have a warranty, but the warranty talks about staining. If you put your white cutting board in a sink, in a dishwasher, and it comes out with a stain, you get a brand new one and the warranty starts all over. That said, we've never had a warranty claim on any of our products. So please double check everything I've said. I made a lot of generalizations that sound a little bit negative. So all I'm asking, please do your homework before you make an investment that might be problematic down the road. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I'm not going to fix the mistakes that I made earlier in this. I don't have time. Have a great day.